Being the plants and garden lover, I welcome you here at my YouTube channel Evergreen Greenery. At this channel, you will get amazing ideas to cherish your home garden or lawn. Before going ahead, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all decoration ideas for your garden. In this video, you will observe beautiful garden or lawn as it is characterized by healthy, vibrant green plants. The lushness of the vegetation contributes to a sense of abundance and vitality. You can also get the idea of color harmony, balance, and symmetry, seasonal variety, clean and tidy design, focal points, pathways, and structure. Your well kept lawns and gardens convey the importance of regular maintenance. Trimmed edges, pruned plants, and healthy looking soil indicate a commitment to caring for the outdoor space. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow garden enthusiasts, and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening wisdom. Until next time, happy gardening!